40 minutes now in this very room. It's my favorite. Let me show you. I'm a lover of perf. I love perfume. Hi lovelies, welcome to Delicious Kitchen bedroom. Yes, we are not cooking today. I'm showing you how I deep clean my room. Lovelies, I'm a mother, of course. I have children that helps me in doing house chores, but I'm very good at it. We clean home every day, of course, but I'm talking about really the deep one. You don't have house elves that do that for you, like back at home in Nigeria. You need to learn that. Thank God. God bless you, my mama. I learned how to do those things before I got married, and now I do my things. I'm a mother. I work. Okay, I work. Apart from being a content creator, I love cooking. I cook almost every day. This is not like Nigeria that you can have house elves. If you bring one in to be your house elf, that means you have to pay the health insurance of the person, and the pension insurance you have to pay is you have to pay for the people who are not working. If you are here working, you have to pay for those who are not working. There's another insurance for that. Okay, the social, that's what we call it. So you have about 4 or 5 important insurance that you have to pay. Let's say you just employ one Arabo or one fake Oyibo, like we call them, to come and work for you. If anything happens, if they steal anything from you, you can't go to any police. You'll be in trouble. And apart from that, if anything happens to them in your home while working for you in your home, you'll be in trouble. And I don't want to be in trouble. I make sure I do my things. Let's start cleaning. Right, I'm going to give you tips as well to remove cobwebs easily in your home. Since I discovered this, my tip that I want to give to you, I will tell you is the best. So let's get it started. But what I do first of all is what you're seeing now. I'm going to remove the over. I removed the top, and I'm going to use this to remove the cobweb. It is the best way to remove the cobweb in your home. You try this, I'm sure you're going to thank me later. So let's start cleaning.
The best recipes found inside all the meals that you need now.
Let me show you part of my week. This is how I live them. Do you think do I have to get something to wear on them, or are they just okay like this? But this is how I live my week. And when I want to use them, I just do it like this, chaka like this, spray it, and they go with that. This one there, that is my favorite wig. It's my favorite wig. I like it so soft and very good. I love this. Let's keep cleaning. That's what we've come to do. So lovely people, you can see what I have here in my hand. This is cleaning spray. Because of the cleaning spray, I always wear my hand gloves before I start cleaning. So I'm going to take all the steps one by one that I'll bring out here. I'll just spray it a bit with this, and I have my napkin which I'm going to use, and that's how I'm going to clean everything. So that's how I'm going to continue to do everything. See you at another stage. For this my table, I don't use that spray I showed you. I just use it with wet clothes. This is okay. I use it with wet napkin. That's what I use. Let me show you my favorite perfume, Creed. I love it. Okay. I love this too. I love my Burberry. I think some other day we'll have to be doing this. This is not for you today. This is cleaning. So this I'm going to move everything one after the other. I'm going to clean them. You know, when I really want to do that, I make sure I pack everything on this table away, and I'm going to use wet clothes to clean it. You can clean this with anything, and then can also dust this. The next is the cleaning of my wardrobe. Don't mind me, I do place my appointment papers there because I don't want to miss any appointment. That's why I always have this any time of doctor appointment or any appointment that are so important that I don't want to miss. Okay, I do this. You want to see my wardrobe? You want me to open the wardrobe for you? Want to see it? Oh, the camera is not set there. You can see. Try to arrange things accordingly. With the trash, try to clean it so that the color, from the white color, it won't turn to brown color. This is for glass cleaning. It's different from the first one I showed to you. So All you need to do is just spray it on it, okay? You need clean cloth for it, and the next thing you're going to have is sparkling clean glass. I've been in this room for the past 40 minutes now. In the last page I'm going to do is where I keep my bags, okay? I love this bag. I love this bag. It's one of my favorite. I love it. I love this bag. That's how I'm going to be taking it one after the other, like this as well. You know, make sure that I clean everything as well, like this. This is how I'm going to remove everything one after the other, okay? I love this too. For the topmost, I need to go and get a chair that will climb. I won't show you that because I don't want to fall down. I need to concentrate. I love this too. Do you love this? This is Fendi. It's for party. So let me go and get my chair so that I can climb other places, and that's how I'm going to go to the other side too and do the same. So see you all later. One important thing I would like to tell you, after cleaning the bag spaces, I'm going to leave it at least for half an hour and be sure that it's very dried before I return my bags there. Don't allow the chemicals used for cleaning your space to touch your bags, because they might spoil them. For those shoe sides, I always use my hoover just to go around them like that. So now let's do the final. For the final hoovering of the floor, to make sure that I do not have any of the cobweb that I removed on top of my bed. The main duvet is at the down. This is for covering, okay? I covered it with this. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for being part of this cleaning of this room today. You've seen how my room looks. You've seen everything. Everything is shining now. It's shining, 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 shining. So lovely. We did that together. Express 3 lifestyle from me. This is the first one, so look out for the second and the third one. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for being part of this cleaning of this room today. Thank you so much for joining me to clean this room. We did this together. Thank you so much. So look out for the second and the third one, because I expected 3 lifestyle from me. You can see how active and beautifully we've done. That is how I do my room. That's what I've just shown to you guys, and hope to see you in the next coming ones. See you all then. Bye. Love you all. Bye.